Hey guys, news from Muscle Arms. Today it's a design update of our AR-15 pistol grip adapter for CZ Scorpion EVO. So there we go. You can see chamber's empty, so we can safely manipulate the gun here. The old version had some minor design flaws that were ending with breaking this mounting part for the grip broken away, and so we decided to change it because that's our policy. When the product is breaking in customers' hands too often, it may not be the flaw of a customer. It's probably the design flaw. So this one went to redesign. And also from the cost perspective, so we can give it to you for lower price. So this went by changing these two threaded inserts that were customized for us. So custom parts, pretty expensive. The rest is multi-jet 3D print out of PA12. So pretty sturdy part for the 3D printing, but yeah, if you over tighten the screw, then yeah, the plastic goes with it. So here the crack was usually happening around the sharp edge here, through the window where the insert is, around here, and or through here, and breaking it in two pieces. So the new one is having melt-in threaded inserts in both places, so there's no window which would be creating a weak spot, and no sharp edge either. Everything smoothened out, reinforced, so there's more compression than tension in the material, and also reinforced here with this rib here, and so here it doesn't break so easily if you over tighten it. So now also you know the torque spec, 2.5 Newton meters, that goes to this grip screw, and yeah, there's also this addition, this small lip, which wasn't on the first gen. This was completely flat, so the gap in between the grip, you can see through the gun even here. So the gap got reduced by this, and let's have a look how it's on the gun. So first we remove the original grip. The new screw has a slightly different length. It's 1 millimeter longer than the original one. And that's also because from the factory They use customized screw. Or cost. I don't know why. Ask CZ. We use off-the-shelf screw. And so the original screw, put that one on side so you can get the other side flush. Gets there easily. Once the resistance start going up, you just tighten it by like half of a turn. There you are. It's not moving anywhere, and it's flush on the other side. So there's the screw for the grip. It is not the same as the AR-15 screw, so please use the one that comes with the adapter. It's a metric M6 screw because the melt-in nuts are not available, at least here, in that size. So let's have a look. There we go. We do provide this hex nut with the grip adapter, so you can mount it right away. But I would strongly recommend to use torque wrench and apply the correct torque. I always explain it like you can do it by hand, just by tightening it to where the resistance starts. So if you move it freely, like so, and there it starts resisting, it's like quarter of a turn, and that's about between 2 and 2.5 Newton meters. So there you go. No wobble in it. It stays in place. There's already enough tension to hold the grip. You don't have to go crazy with the torque and breaking it. And there we are. Okay guys, I hope you like it, and let me know in the comments how you like the improved version and lower price on it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Have a great one.